watching Good Day Columbus on Fox 28.
It is the easiest New Year's resolution that could improve your health.
Coming up next, why going to the dentist is good for your teeth, of course, but good for your heart. And did you know you can improve your smile in just one visit?
Good deal.
We're going to learn how. Coming up. It wouldn't be 2013 without Justin Bieber.
He makes me smile.
He does. He makes everyone smile. Maybe not, but to make everyone smile, Dr. Jason Culley is here. You're a dentist with Watermark Dental. We were talking about this yesterday about our resolutions and what we want to do. And I was thinking one of the biggest New Year's resolutions, probably not on people's list, but probably should be, is to go to the dentist. So many people skip it, don't they?
They do. For a lot of people, I realize that going to the dentist is not
it's not
top
fun.
of their
Let's
list.
Just face
yeah,
it.
let's
It's
just
not
get
a
that
fun
out
thing.
there.
Why are people so worried and scared of the dentist?
I'm one of those people.
Are you?
And I don't know why.
I don't get it.
Well, a lot of people have anxieties and fears. A lot of it has to do with previous, bad experiences going to the dentist and things like that. But there are things that I think our profession has done over the last 20 to 30 years to maybe help create better experiences by going to the dentist, more comfort measures and things like that.
And I just also think, it's a new year. It's one of those things where now is the time to improve your smile. Not only because it makes you feel good when you feel confident to smile, but it's also good for your health. So talk about the benefits of actually making this year the year that you're going to go to the dentist and take care of your teeth.
Well, you talk about improving your smile. I mean, we've helped a lot of people with maybe self-esteem or self-confidence issues, feel better about themselves, their teeth and their smile and things like that. But you also mentioned the health benefits. I mean, research over the last 10, 12 years has really shown certain relationships and links between gum disease and an increased risk for heart disease as well.
It's pretty amazing that what happens in your mouth, you think it just affects your teeth, but it affects everything.
I heard a stat that 1 out of every 2 people has periodontal disease. I know, I just went to the dentist, so I'm clean, so it's either of you two.
I would say it's me because I'm scared of it. So even if your teeth look nice and clean, something could be lurking there.
Right. Periodontal disease, or gum disease as we like to call it, it's kind of a tricky thing. A lot of times the individual doesn't even know they have it until symptoms arise, which is typically really late in the disease presentation. So it's one that early treatment can save a lot of problems down the road.
And what are the things that you guys can do now to kind of calm people's fears? Are there different methods, and is it the same kind of dentistry from when I was a kid?
I don't believe so. I've been in private practice now about 10 years, and some of the comfort measures that we can offer, maybe as simple as just headphones to listen to music to help alleviate and comfort the patient somewhat. We also have other treatments such as laughing gas, or even
I feel a toothache coming on.
or oral sedation, or even IV sedation for simple procedures such as fillings or even cleanings can be used for that.
And it's interesting because people do have real fears, and these aren't just fears that are concocted. I mean, they have real deep-set fears.
Yeah, and most of what I have found is from previous bad experiences. But we also see with those fears, a lot of times in a family setting, we'll have a mom or a dad who has those anxieties that can be communicated and even somewhat inherited by the children. And that's where I think making a New Year's resolution for the entire family would be important as well.
That's a good idea.
So we have about 30 seconds left. Really quickly, let's get to the charity.
Gotcha. Free to smile.
Right. This is really important too. So if one of your things on your list of resolutions is to give back, this is a great way.
Well, it's a foundation started in 2008 right here at Dublin, Ohio, and I've had the privilege of being involved as a board member and as a volunteer since then. And we provide cleft lip and cleft palate surgeries and dental care for children and adults in third world countries, specifically Cambodia, Guatemala, Tibet, and Nigeria, Africa.
So how do you raise money?
Well, we have fundraisers and from donations from people generous enough. Central Ohio has been wonderful to us, and people can find more about the charity at freetosmile.org and find out who we are and why we volunteer.
So here's a photo of this.
Yeah.
So you go to these places and you help people.
Yeah. Well, obviously less fortunate people. This was myself in Guatemala a couple years ago.
That's great.
Yeah.
I mean, what a like.
It changes lives. That's just amazing.
It really does.
Those poor kids can't even eat. I mean, there are so many things going on, and that's great.
Yeah, both patients that we see and volunteers go on our trip.
That's terrific.
Well, thank you so much.
And a Happy New Year to you.
Thank you so much.
People just need to get to the dentist. Take care of themselves.
I'm doing it. That's on my list.
Good.
So I'll see you soon.
Proud of you.
Wonderful.
Thank you.